Welcome back everyone. This is the fourth video of this video series on how to design a marketing agency company website with WordPress CMS and free Elementor page builder. Okay, this website layout is suitable for all marketing, online marketing, digital marketing, social media marketing, company websites, agency websites. Okay, we have designed home page here. This is a simple home page design. It's a static design here, and let's design the about us page. Okay, edit page. Make sure layout is Elementor full white. Edit with Elementor. Okay, here let's insert a two column section and go to this advanced setting, unlink the padding at the top. Let's insert padding about 150, at the bottom 150. This is not a fix, but at least you should insert negative space about 100 pixels minimum at least. And here go to layout, vertical align, middle. Okay, and here let's insert illustration on the right side. Okay, go to undraw .go, browse. Here marketing, okay, let's choose this one. Download SBZ here, and come back here, upload SBZ, insert upload the illustration, insert it, go to style, size about 500. Okay, and then here on the left side let's insert a height. Okay, height is 5. About us, color, let's choose orange here. From the pick color history, here orange. Okay, and duplicate it, height 2, black color. We are a dedicated team, blah blah blah. Here justified, and insert few text, write about your business, about your company, and then in the next section also two column section, and here let's add background color little, yeah, okay, like this. Actually, yeah, instead of adding another background, actually we can duplicate this and we can add background color like this. something like this. Here we listen. Tell us about your business. Blah blah blah. Okay. Here conversation. Meeting. Let's look for a suitable illustration. Okay, let's use this. Sorry. Upload is busy. Upload it here. Insert it. Okay. And alignment on the left side. We listen. Tell us about your business. Duplicate this again. Remove the background color. Okay. And bring this on the left side. We think. Research and analysis. Yeah, this is the process after listening to the problems about the business of your customer, your client. We research, we analyze, and trying to provide solutions to your client. Next stage, we add background color again. Here, the sense to sorry. Okay, and here since the illustration to analysis. Okay, so this one. Upload is busy. Insert it. Insert media. Okay. Okay, copy this. Paste it here. Okay. Now change it again, and this phase we research analysis. Now we in this phase we do promotion and marketing. At this phase, after analyzing the problems and business of your client, you provided solutions. You started promotion, online marketing, social media, anything. At this phase, advertising. Marketing. Okay. Sorry. Upload is busy. Upload it here. Insert media. Okay. About us, you describe something about your company, and at this phase you talk about the process of communicating with your clients, customer. At this phase you talk about what we do after listening to the problem of your customers, clients. And at this pause you talk about what we do, the processing of brainstorming stage. You talk about it. At this phase you talk about something about your services, not fully detail. Full detail of services we will describe in we will display the services page. Now at mid team, last phase is the mid team. Okay, and duplicate this section and delete this column here. Our team meet our dedicated staffs. Remove this. Insert inner section. Let's add margin about 50 at the top. And search team. Sign out team widget. Okay. You can choose a layout. This is default layout. You can choose grid like this. If you choose grid, you get the here image. Insert about border is about 150, and you can make it square circle image like this, square image. And here and duplicate this like this. You can also copy it, paste it here. Yep, 3 team members, and if it is more than 3 you can also duplicate this color section like this. Okay, so yeah. And you can also add border solid 1 pixel, color something like this, and padding at the top about 20. Yep, something like this. Copy it, paste style, yeah. And you can also have different border colors if you want. Sorry, here. style. Yep, style. Yeah, there is these different border colors. Okay, and update it. Preview this page. Yeah. Auto stuff, the members here. Okay, that's it for the content picture images. I hope you know how to change it. You can change that this subname, designation, descriptions, or selling icons. Okay, for the layout design we are done, and in the next video let's design a services page. Okay, see you in the next video.